Time to get this place ready for a monster make! Hey! Whoa! Ha-ha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a muffin case house.
Yes, we can make a muffin case house with the muffin case for the fluffy fairy to live in.
Brilliant idea, Murphy.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
So for this monster make, we'll need a muffin case, a small round tub, coloured paper, a paper straw, fluffy cotton wool, stickers and paint.
What would you like to do first?
Let's paint the pot.
Monster painty! Boom, 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 boom! Hey, 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 hey!
Yay! One lovely pink pot.
Whilst it dries, let's make the windows and a door for the fairy to fly in through.
Good idea. We can draw the window and door shapes on paper.
It's monster cutting time!
Yup, work your magic, Murphy. Brilliant. Make sure you ask a grown-up for help when using scissors.
Let's make the chimney.
We just need to carefully cut a small piece of paper straw, like this. You know what that sound means?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Woohoo! I love that song! It makes me want to glue!
Me too!
Sticky, 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 glue, glue, glue! We'll glue the door and the windows on. And the muffin case for the roof. Don't forget the chimney too.
And some cotton wool smoke.
Let me think. What's missing? Oh, it could do with some...
Stickers!
Yay! Sticky, sticky stickers!
And if you don't have stickers, you can draw on some details.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
One muffin case house. What do you think, Murphy?
It's Monster Marvelous!